You may cut my funding, Mayor Badford, Jennifer Hong said as she lit her cigarillo. But I will not sleep until I find out who used that knife to stab that brain. Chapter 1 still holds up?
Da-da-da-da-da-da. What's the deal with impressing your wife?
You look like an ugly woman.
Happy Halloween. Hope you get a lot of writing done.
Hope is for amateurs. And now, the story continues. Damn it, why is writing so hard?
There's a weird sound coming from Grandma's room.
If it's a low moan that turns into a rapid gurgle, that's normal. I don't hear anything.
I invite you to come inside.
真是没有礼貌啊！
Did you hear that voice?
什么声音呢？
That man's voice.
这儿没有男人呢。
You heard the voice though, right?
It was probably just her yawning. She has a very mannish yawn.